Hey everybody, happy 4th of July! It's Quail Mama out here in the aviary with the little birds. It's a nice warm day. Got little birds looking for bugs already. Yippers, their favorite treat. It's coming. So what is it out here? It looks like it's about 98, 99 degrees. Hope y'all are having a happy and safe 4th so far. A little different having the 4th on a Thursday. I'm sure plenty of people will make up for it this weekend though. Wow, the little birds just tore up their salad. That was brim full. I tossed in some special seeds with some worms and they just dug it all out. It's gone. Got about the same thing going on over here. Little birds are hot. Hot, hot, hot. Got nice fresh cool water over here for them, and set up an extra waterer in the back there. Gonna have to keep an extra eye on them because coming up this week we're supposed to get to 111 degrees. I don't think I've ever been anywhere that the temperature has been that hot, except for maybe Arizona. Ooh, they're after a moth. All right, let's see about bugs. When I was taking the lid off, had somebody jump 2 feet in the air for bugs. Come on, here we go. Oh goodness. Ow! Little turkeys. Turkey birds. Ouch! Just the bugs, girls, not the fingers. All right. There we go. Here's some more. Ouch. Throw some more of these seeds out for them. Yummy seeds there. I'm even tempted by those seeds. Seeds and peanuts and dry fruit. Sounds good. Sounds like the boys in quail jail want some too. You girls still finding bugs down there? Oh. Looks like somebody found something they like. What are you doing over there, Missy? Oh, she thinks she's going to get in the bugs. Are you kicking the dirt, son, Mom? Have y'all got any big plans for the 4th? I'm thinking about going up on the hill and watching the fireworks. Maybe making a couple little videos. Haven't decided yet. Gotta be up early. Gonna be a long day tomorrow. Oh, I should give you a shot of the nest. The girls have done a real nice job. Checked on it earlier. I'm going to pull the eggs out here in a little bit. Anyway, over here under the board, they've made a real nice little nest. Look at that. Isn't that nice? They're doing a good job. Yep, lots of fresh quail eggs. And I finally got around to making some pickled eggs. Got a couple shots of that. Maybe I'll share those later. Anyway, I hope everyone will have a happy and safe 4th. Have a great weekend coming up, everybody. Thanks for watching. Sure appreciate the time you spend with us. Please remember to like and subscribe and leave us a question or a comment if you're so inclined. Have a super day. Bye for now.